Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Explained. We've talked about AI, machine learning, and cloud computing. Today we're diving into something that's reshaping the future of technology, LLMs, or large language models. You've probably heard of ChatGPT or Google Gemini. But what exactly is an LLM, and how does it work? Let's break it down. LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence trained to understand and generate human-like text. They've read billions of words, books, websites, conversations to learn patterns in language. Once trained, they can answer questions, write stories, generate code, and even help automate tasks. Think of an LLM like a super smart autocomplete, but instead of just suggesting a few words, it understands full conversations, context, and meaning, allowing it to generate thoughtful and detailed responses. Here's how they learn. First comes pre-training, where the model reads massive amounts of text to learn grammar, facts, and reasoning. Next is fine-tuning, where it's polished for specific tasks like chatting safely or answering questions more accurately. And finally, inference, the stage when you interact with it. That's when it uses all it has learned to respond in real time. So how do LLMs actually understand what you mean? It's all thanks to a special architecture called the transformer, which uses something called an attention mechanism. This helps the AI figure out which parts of your sentence are the most important, just like how you focus on keywords when reading. Don't worry, we'll cover this briefly in a video very soon. Today, LLMs are everywhere, powering virtual assistants, summarizing long articles, drafting emails, and even helping coders write programs faster. But they're not perfect. LLMs can sometimes generate wrong or biased information. They also need a lot of computing power to train and run. That's why researchers are constantly working to make them smarter, safer, and more efficient. The future of LLMs looks exciting: smaller, faster models, better understanding of human emotions, and AI that works safely alongside us in our everyday lives. If this video helped you understand large language models, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Simply Explained content. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.